If you seek a career in the world of beauty and glamour, this is the place to be. Your career begins here. Become a beauty professional in skin, hair and makeup under the guidance of Lakme certified trainers. At Lakme Academy, students go through intensive training with a step-by-step approach. They begin with theory, which is an in-depth study of the different courses. They move on to demonstrations, where students get to learn through observation. They learn how to apply facials, how to execute the perfect airbrushed makeup look, how to master the art of hairstyling, and much more. During practical sessions, students perform techniques that they have learned using the latest tools and equipment, getting hands-on experience. Learn from Lakme certified trainers, work with backstage superstars, be a part of the best fashion editorials, and make your mark in the beauty industry. Get ready for style, glamour, and opportunities. Join Lakme Academy powered by Aptech today.